This is Jamaica good life. People, I don't care what you're saying, but people, this country, you figure it out. People are building their homes all over Jamaica. Every time you watch YouTube and you hear stories, there's over 2 million people that lives here. But what you're not seeing is the peace and tranquility. You're not seeing the good side. You're not seeing it. And let me tell you, as I travel, continue to enjoy the program. It's beautiful. The skies are nice, the sun. Melrose, check it out. It's amazing. Melrose. Look at this place. A lot of people are building up, people. This is Jamaica good life. See? This is Jamaica good life. When you watch YouTube, you want to live in a nice place, there's land for sale in Melrose Mews. And these people are not worried about stuff. Life is a perception. Guys, all I gotta say to you is come to Jamaica and look around and drive around. Mandeville is one of the hottest places right now. But look at this. I mean, people, look at this. So there's a lot of professionals around here.
It's all professionals.
Police,
teachers. PJ Patterson cut this when he was in power. Because the police and the teachers said they couldn't afford it. So that land in Mandeville. So he cut this thing.
Teacher, police. So Melrose Mews is the place to live. Doctor, pharmacist. So do you think there's a lot more land available? No? So let me ask you, you said the one right beside you is 3.5 million.
Yes.
So guys, just reach out to a real estate agent and ask them about Melrose Mews. Oh guys, look at this house. This is Melrose Mews. Guys, I'm gonna get some contacts here, and this is where you want to talk to your real estate agent about. This is a very, very nice place to live. It's safe. It's in Mandeville. I want to check it out. This is Jamaica good life. A lot of soldiers live here, pharmacists, doctors, you know, soldiers, pharmacists, doctors, teachers. This was built specifically for teachers and policemen, because I think in that government they couldn't afford to live in Mandeville, so the people in Parliament, they cut up this place for them and they bought the land. You guys might want to look into this. Beautiful homes. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. This is Jamaica good life. And I'm walking and loving it. The peace and tranquility. You know? So I'm parked over there. You know I'm an adventurer. Let's walk over there for a second. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Look at that. This is beautiful. So this area was built in the PNP era. And as you can hear, I'm getting too old for this job. I'm breathing hard. But let's go look at the view. The colors are nice. Ooh, ooh. Look at the view, people. Nice. Beautiful. Hopefully there are no dogs. Oh, there's a dog over there. Take your time. I want to see the view. I'm probably going to circle around, but so the view is amazing up here. Around that side there's no view, but I'm sure, wow, imagine in the nighttime. I'm sure this piece of lot is for sale, but look at this view. You could literally walk on top of this house, which is what I'm going to do about now, because I'm a brave soul. Look at this. I'm walking on top of somebody's house. Jamaica, good life. This is in Melrose Mews, and I'm taking my time. Are you seeing this? This is actually one of the better views I've seen. Wow. Are you seeing this? Hello? Look at this. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Look at this. This is amazing. Wow. Wow, this is just, let me get back to the car. So get your mangoes. So Jamaicans, this is to show you, if you believe in God, you shouldn't have much fear. That's the problem with most people. They say they believe in God, but they're so afraid, right? They're afraid to do everything. So now, if Jamaica was so bad, what are these people doing here? Shouldn't they be leaving? The question I always have, why did they build their house? Why did they, did all these people run away? Did all these people run away? Look at this. Did all these people run away? Did they get chased out of their house? These are soldiers, policemen, and teachers. Orchard Circle, Melrose Mews. So come here, enjoy your life, live your life. So once you get up in here, the crime reduces.
Bankers living in here.
Bankers.
Professional housing scheme.
Here we watch Melrose Mews, MEWS. So this is the view. Melrose is Orchard Circle, and I think that is the circle I'm talking about. I think that's it. That's around here.
Okay.
So let building now has ramped up. A lot of mall drop for people get serious now. Building is everywhere in Melrose Mews. People are getting serious about coming home now. Yeah, so it's residential, it's professionals. And there's still some lots for sale. I think sometimes 3.5 million or just a quarter acre. So, you know, as you can see, when these are all done, oh, this place is going to be a sight to behold. Mandeville Project Pride for teachers. Give me the list of people. Give me the nurses, police, government workers in general. And this was
natives also.
and natives.
People who there lang.
So initially it was built for teachers. Is this still Melrose Mews?
Yes, man. It's still Melrose Mews. I guess it's still there. I'm not sure.
It's for a house. Oh, lovely. Look at this. This is how your house is going to be, people. Now, that's what you call living large. Yeah. No snow is here, so you don't have to worry about...
What you type machine you have there, I can't show you them.
Okay.
Upon the house stop there now. Stop.
It's near Comfort. It's beautiful. The view, the homes, the elegance. Yeah. It's on top of the mountain overlooking. And it's all professionals.
Manchester.
That's Manchester.
And on the plains here, it's Clarendon.
Clarendon.
Manchester, where these potent mountains are, and on that plain, it's Clarendon.
So these are
Manchester all around.
these are the kind of houses here. So I think we have
Manchester up there.
a plot of land for purchase. Yeah, man. All right. They're building pretty fast. Wow. This is going to be quite an impressive place. Hold on, let me stop. Hold on a second. Can't do too much. Can't. Alright. So when you guys come to Jamaica, check out Melrose Mews, all professionals, about 20 minutes away from Mandeville. So your private hospital is around 20 minutes away. These are all police, nurse, pharmacists, bankers, government workers. And they ramped up production. This nice homes. So here we have Orchard Terrace. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. You see this? The dream right here. And that's the dream. That's a neighborhood that is up and coming. You're going to hear about this place in the future. So Randy and the Dragon introduce it to you. So now coming up over here, it's a nice beautiful home here. Look at that, this beautiful view here. Some guava over here. That's mine. Alright, so that ends this tour for now. You remember me keep talking and talking about planting trees. So today, I'm going to plant a coconut tree on my land. And that in itself is just priceless, you see? That's just priceless. To plant a coconut tree, right? And in life, you do this for your children. And today, I have the machete, and we're going to make it happen. So, you know, that's the beauty about growing up and making a move in your life. And I plant a tree in Africa. So let's see how this tree. Oh, roses them a kill me. But I forgot to deal with it. And we're going to plant that coconut tree today. Even if the rain wet me up, the blessing is coming with the water. Yeah. So it goes. I'm gonna plant it over there. That's the coconut tree we're going to plant. But the rain is coming today. Dragon, we might have to just, we might have to put them down and water them and bring them tomorrow. Yeah, I did that already also. So, but I forgot to do it tomorrow. Good ceremony, yeah. Yeah. Because we're not come down, we not raise the thing. You're right over there, sir. Yeah. It will survive. Yeah. No lele. Guava. Guava there from the land, people. Wherever there's guava upon you. And we're not going to come. So get the blessings already. The blessings come. I want to guava from the land. People. We say the Almighty. Guava there from the land, people. You know when your family do things, and them do things right and them work hard, give thanks to Mama for make all of them things are possible. Give thanks to Auntie. As a matter of fact, give thanks to woman, because a woman always save money and make sure we have land and make sure everything taken care of. You see me? So give thanks to woman, because woman always are prepared for the future. You know? So Mama, Auntie, and you make all of this possible. So we must be proud next generation and take over. See the family, teachers family, plant guava tree. We can't make guava gig now. Them plant mango tree and thing, yeah? Them even plant. The family love them. See that? Family is life, yeah? Love the family. Yeah, man. There's some more blessings over here. So. Yeah, man. See the family. Blessings. Yeah. So when I get time, I go clean it up. There's some people for cleaning it up, you know? So I go for the blessings right now. Yeah. You know, I'm sure already. But it's alright. Whether you're there or not, I'm gonna get you. Guava. I'm gonna bite you. Guava. Whether you're fit or ripe. Whether day or night, I'm gonna bite you, guava. It's a guava thing what I love, you know. Love guava jam.